Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to share a video without sound with someone on an iPhone. If you have a video that you've recorded and want to share it with someone, but don't necessarily want them to hear the audio that went along with it, like maybe there was somebody else in the background or whatever, you can easily turn off audio before sending. I'll show you first where to go inside of your Photos app to disable audio, which would even mute it for you, and then how to do it as you're texting the video to somebody. To get started, open Photos and find the video that you want to mute. There's a mute button down here at the bottom, but that just mutes it for this playback, and if you send the video to somebody, they can just unmute it also. To disable the audio, tap Edit at the top right. Now here at the top left, you'll see the audio button. Hit that to disable audio. When you're finished, hit Done on the bottom right. You'll now see that the video has no audio and that the speaker icon is even grayed out. Now from here, if you tap Share at the bottom and then text the video to somebody, they won't be able to turn the audio back on. And if you want audio back on your iPhone, just tap Edit again, unmute the audio here at the top, and then hit Done. The audio will then be turned back on. Now we'll look at muting the video as we're texting it to somebody. Open Messages and then start a new text to someone. Tap the camera icon at the top of the keyboard and then the camera roll icon on the top left. Find the video that you want to share, select it, and then hit Add on the top right. Now before you send the video, tap it in the text box and then when it goes full screen, select Edit on the bottom right. Again, like before, tap the speaker icon on the top left to disable the audio and then hit Done on the bottom right. When you're finished with that, hit Done on the top right and then you can send the video without audio. The person you send it to will then receive the video but will not hear anything and won't be able to turn it on either. And that's how you share a video without sound on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.